Charlie has some visitors, rainbow lorikeet visitors. It's pretty awesome actually. Charlie's hiding inside the guava tree, being avoidant. Where is he? I can't even see him, so camouflaged. He's so scared of his own kind. I don't blame him, they kicked him out of the nest as a baby. I mean, the abuse dynamics. We don't want to play with others, do we, Charlie? They can all get stuffed. Here he is. Here he is. Charlie, Charlie, you had some of your own kin come to visit you. Yes, Charlie. He says, Mummy, I don't play well with others. They didn't treat me with kindness and respect. They didn't treat me with kindness and respect. I don't want anything to do with those birdies. That could be like one of them could be your future soulmate, your love of your life, your partner, your birdie num num partner. He says, screw that hippie, I'm sticking with my mama. I know what I get with my mama. Lots of kisses and unconditional love. I know, Charlie, it's a bit sad though, isn't it? How we've ended up, you and I. The unlovable ones.